Hey guys, it's Lindsay, and this is the new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Let's get started. You know the deal by now. Gorilla Glass 5 back, Gorilla Glass 5 front. This is the new prism white color. So it's a lovely little pearlescent sort of thing, picks up fingerprints like you wouldn't believe. But if you notice over here in this little visor, you see not one, not two, but three cameras. 12 megapixel normal sensor, 16 megapixel ultra wide, and a 12 megapixel telephoto. So that's 2 times zoom. So now you're getting 123 degrees all the way down to like a really close, nice intimate shot. And up front it's rocking that hole punch display and the dual camera action. It's 8 megapixel and 10 megapixel. As you can see, screen to body ratio is insane, getting all the way up into those corners. This is a fantastic device. South Africa, we're getting the Exynos 9820 with the neural processing unit. It's 26% faster than the outgoing 9810, which was on the Note 9, which I loved quite a lot. You probably heard a lot about it. This model is rocking 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. You can go up all the way to 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigabytes of internal storage. That is crazy. This is by far one of the best phones, if not the best phone on the market right now. And back to that screen, that gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous AMOLED screen. So this is an HDR10 compliant screen. It's a dynamic AMOLED. I don't know what dynamic means right now. 6.4 inches. And if you look at the similarly sized Galaxy Note, it's actually a little bit shorter and a little bit narrower, so it sits better in the hand. I would have preferred obviously the smaller phones, because you know I love my small phones. Me and my SEs, we go way back. Samsung also launched next to this in the family the S10e and the S10 standard. Things I do like: ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, and it works like a bomb. You see how quick that was. Put it off again and on. Wow, that is incredible. At the demo area, they were doing like sprinkling water on there. I was a bit worried about water and how dirt is going to interact with that ultrasonic. And it worked fine. These phones are coming to South Africa on the 8th of March, so you can pick it up. You can pre-order right now, and with pre-orders you'll get Galaxy Buds that they launched tonight as well. Pricing goes like this: 16,000 for the S10e, 19,000 for the standard S10, and 21K for the base model S10 Plus. I've only had time to go through the setup obviously, but I can tell you right now, I like this phone a lot. Samsung knocked it out the park. V40, LG V40 that I'm still reviewing, the review coming soon. Gotta do better. I love you, LG, but this right now is the phone to beat. But that's just my opinion. Use it, don't use it. See you guys with more S10 coverage later this week.